go. Winter 2011 rebuild of the Warrior is complete. Run the Pro Circuit exhaust center now just for braking. Keep it quiet. Once you go riding someplace like Wellsville or go to the track, I'll put a Curtis Sparks on. I like to keep it quiet around here so the cops don't be cold. What I did, got some of these Nerf bars here. Made it from a 5Z450. They're cut right here and shortened. I got new wheels and tires. ITP whole shot GNCC. So I got this Swingarm. I got to finish this, throw the chain on it yet. Be ready to go. This is the first startup. I just went to build the motor. Did the FST head, the webcam, bow. Got the new bows in it. Did the JE 366 piston. This is the first time I fired it up after rebuild. I'd say it's running pretty good. Fired right up. Got the Blingstar bumper on it. American Star arms. Powder coated, work shocks. I got this ball fan all wired up. I got the switch here. I'm gonna make a little plate. Pulls a lot of air. Sounds really good. Got the power bomb header on it too. Head. There we go. Oh, I also got the 36mm Mikuni flat side carb on it too, performance carb. That's it.